everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with another lecture of the DBMS series. So in this particular lecture, we would be looking out on specialization, which is a part of extended ER features. Now what is specialization? So as explained in the earlier video, what happens is, consider there is an entity person. So let's take an example of entity person. Now person is an employee as well when it's working in a company, a student as well when it's working in or when it's studying in a college or school, and is a customer as well when he or she is doing some online order or online buying. So person acts as an employee, student and customer. Now what happens is person is having some attributes such as name, age. Now coming to customer may have some attributes such as customer ID, customer order details. Now coming to student may have student ID, student subjects. Now coming to employee may have employee ID, salary and much more thing. So what is happening now, this person entity is getting overburdened with many attributes. So what we do is we split or we subgroup the person entity into different sub entities such as employee, student and customer, and the attributes which are same in all these three, that is name and age, stays with the person, and the distinctive attributes which is not common among employee, student and customer such as employee ID, student ID and customer ID is provided to them. So what happens, specialization is, in specialization in ER model is like categorizing entities based on the common features. A super type group of entities with shared attributes and relationships, while subtypes have their own unique attributes, that is EID, SID and CID, and the shared attributes are name and age. So a super type group entities with shared attributes and relationships, while subtypes have their own unique attributes and relationship. It's a way to organize data efficiently. It is a top-down approach. So as you can see now, person is being subgrouped into employee and student. So it is a top-down approach. It is basically following the inheritance way, that there is a super class and there are some subclass which is inheriting properties from the super class. So let's understand from an example. So here it is a person. Okay, I just missed the last line. We have a relationship between the superclass and the subclass. So person is the superclass and employee and customer are the subclass. And there is a relationship, is a relationship between person, employee and customer. So person is the employee as well as customer. Now person may have some attributes, that is age and name, which is common among employee and customer, but employee ID, employee salary and customer email and customer IDs is something which is distinctive. So in the super type, all the attributes remain shared, which is like shared in the child classes also or the subclasses also, and in the subclass there are attributes which are distinctive. So this is specialization. Basically in specialization what we do is we subgroup the entities into different groups, like person is subgrouped into employee and customer. Person may have some attributes which is common between employees and customer, but employees and customer may have some distinctive attributes. So this was all about specialization in this video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, please go ahead and watch the tech content first. And if you find it useful, please go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you're someone who is new to DBMS or you know someone who is looking out for a DBMS series, please suggest this series to them because this is a very beginner friendly series. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.